I'm Dave, and this is Austin Eats. I live in Austin, Texas, and we have a lot of fried food here. Seems like we will deep fry just about anything. You can find deep fried shrimp and calamari and even crab and scallops, oysters, and even alligator. Yep, we deep fry alligators. In fact, we'll deep fry your boots if you stand still long enough. I'm going to take deep fried seafood to a new level today and make deep fried, specifically chicken fried, lobster tails. Yeah, nice try. He's still here. Let's get cooking. We're going to begin by making an aioli. It's some mayonnaise, lemon juice, little lemon zest, some garlic, and some salt and pepper. Whip that in a blender, and we set that aside until we're done. The batter has both wet and dry ingredients. The wet ingredients is nothing more than some hot sauce mixed in with buttermilk. The dry ingredients are basically flour with some seasonings, and you can see the details of those ingredients in the comments below. Now, to get to the lobster tail. I flip them over and I cut the membrane on the belly of the lobster down both sides, peel it back, and then trim it off at the tail, at the bottom of the tail. Then I'm going to gently release the meat from the inside of the shell. And you can do this just by putting your fingers in there and gently pulling apart both the shell from the meat, and then get your thumb underneath and just gently roll it all the way back. For this dish, I left it attached in the bottom of the shell, trying to make something special for the presentation. Now to batter this, first we go in the dry ingredients, then the wet ingredients, and then back into the dry ingredients. That helps the coating stick. So, into the dry, get it nice and coated. You're going to have to lift the tail up and make sure the underside is really covered. Then dip it into the wet. Be careful not to shake off any of the dry ingredients that you just put on. Now back into the dry and cover it again. And now we're ready for the fryer. These are going to fry for about 3 minutes at 350 degrees. You could easily do this inside in a Dutch oven with a good thermometer, but I learned a hard lesson the last time I fried indoors. I had too much oil in my Dutch oven, and when I dropped the food, it bubbled up ferociously, overflowed the pot, hit the burner, which was gas, and ignited. And I had a huge fire on my stovetop and ruined one of the burners. So I ended up buying a deep fryer, and I now do this outside. This lobster is now done, but I did break the shell taking it out. So much for presentation, but that is how we'd make chicken fried lobster in Texas. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, let me know. And please subscribe. We've got new videos coming out every week. See you next time on Austin Eats.